Good morning, Chori.
Good morning, Mom, and good morning, my lovely friends. Oh, it's 6:30 a.m. I love to wake up early in the morning. It's our fifth event that is making our own bed after wake up. Wait a second. First of all, I'm going to wash my face. Then I will show you how I make my bed. I'm back. Okay, now let's start. This is my blanket. This is my pillows, teddies. I love to sleep with my teddies. And this is my bedsheet. First of all, put all this stuff down from the bed. Blanket, teddies, pillows. Now spread out the bed sheet from all sides. Now put pillows on the bed.
Sulte pareil.
Now I'm going to fold my blanket. Like this. Now put this blanket on the bed neatly. Now you can also decorate the bed with some stuff if you have. I have dolls, teddy, teddies. I have also a cute pillow. It's over. This is very easy and simple way to make it. You can also impress your family by doing it. Thank you.